I just found the cutest date idea that you can do right at home thanks to Art Masterclass's DIY Mosaic Lamp Kits. Their kits are packed with absolutely everything that you will need to make your lamp right at the comforts of your own home, including a huge variety of hand-cut mosaic glass pieces, your own glass globe, instructions on what to do, all the plaster materials, more mosaic glass pieces, a template to help inspire you on your design, and of course the light bulb and the glue that will hold the mosaic glass pieces. So once you have everything unpacked, make sure to familiarize yourself with the step-by-step instructions that Art Masterclass provide in the kit. I really loved how detailed the instructions were, and it even gives you images so you know what to expect every step of the way. So first you need to decide what design you're going to use on your globe. I decided to go with this little triangle on the template, but there are 6 different designs you can choose from. This was my favorite part of the process because you get to be as creative as you want, plus it's a fun way to spend the afternoon with your partner. The best part about doing this with your partner is you get double the amount of hand-cut glass mosaic pieces that you can use. So here are the designs that we decided to go with. I decided to go with a blue color scheme while my partner went with purple and gold because that is his favorite football team's colors. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to start gluing the mosaic pieces onto your glass globe. Now this step is probably when you need the most amount of patience because it can be a bit difficult to get the mosaic pieces in the right place, but once you do, it is so worth it. Once you have your main big designs glued onto your glass globe, it's time to do the connecting lines in between your big designs. Now I decided to go with something simple and reflective like this. I love how it made my glass globe a little bit shiny. But if you don't want to have anything connecting your big designs, you can also opt to have beads in between all of the gaps on your glass globe. The fun part about using beads is you can mix a few colors together so that you can have a wide variety of colors on your glass globe. And here are our finished products. Yay! Look at how beautiful they look. So when you are done gluing everything on, you need to wait 6 hours for everything to dry before you start the plastering process. When your lamp is fully dry, it is time to start the plastering process. So here we are the next day and we're ready to put together the final touches to our beautiful lamp. Art Masterclass have truly thought of everything, including giving you a glove to help keep your hands clean during this process. Once you've mixed your plaster together, it's time to put it straight onto your globe. This can be a bit of a messy process, but don't worry, it will be so worth it when your lamp is done and shining beautifully. You want to keep the plaster on for only a couple of minutes, and then it's time to remove as much of the excess as possible. Here are both of our lamps completely finished. Now it's time to put together our lamp and see how beautiful they are going to look. Wow, absolutely amazed at how gorgeous these lamps look once they are completely finished. And look at the two together, they make a love heart. Cheers to the cutest date idea at home thanks to Art Masterclass.